how to move Google Photos to SD card on Android. So if you want to move Google Photos to SD card on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google Photos. After opening your Google Photos, go and select a photo that you would like to move to your SD card. After selecting, you need to go with the three dots which will be in the top right, and you may have a download option. You can go and download or just swipe up, and here as you can see that you will have all of these options. So if you have inserted an SD card, you will also get an option to move to SD card. But since I don't have my SD card inserted, there is no such option. But if you have your SD card, you can do that from your Google Photos. However, you can still do it by going to Files and locating that picture and then moving it to SD card manually if you have one. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.